Hey, this is Kyle Benedict with MISO BIM. This tutorial topic is on visibility graphic overrides, and this course is considered intermediate level. Visibility graphic overrides allow you to override patterns and line types for the objects in your project. So if I hit VV on my keyboard, you'll see our visibility graphic overrides dialog box. As you already know, you can turn on and off almost every category throughout your project, both in annotation and model categories. But have you always wondered what these boxes are for? Well, these allow you to override the graphical representation of your objects. So I'm going to do two quick examples for you. First, in our plan view, I'm going to make all of our floor patterns just simple white. Sometimes we don't want to see specific patterns on these floors, so overriding them allows you to quickly and easily do that. The overriding options you have are lines, patterns, and transparency. So in our case, we're going to override the patterns of these floors. So in the floor category and the overrides, I'm going to click this box, hit override, and I'm going to change the color to white and the pattern to solid fill. Now you'll see all of these look completely blank, and that's because that's white. But if I change this to gray real quick, you'll see that all these patterns are represented with a little preview box. So if I go back to white and solid fill, hit OK, and we now see all our floors are white, even though the patterns are still technically on our floors, as we can see in a 3D view. Another place you might do this is in a section. Sometimes when you're just doing a rough schematic section, rather than showing all the materials and detail of your walls, you just want to poche them all. Well, visibility graphic overrides is a quick way to do that. I'm going to go to walls, and instead of projection, I'm going to go to cut. So my wall pattern cut, I'm going to override this to black. Again, I'm going to do solid fill. I'm also going to do that to my ceilings and floors, so the whole drawing looks pocheted in. Okay, and there you go. Your floors, walls, and ceilings are all pocheted, and now you've got a very basic and schematic looking section, so whoever you're showing this to can focus on the other elements within your drawing. Alright, I've shown you how to override some model categories, but let's talk about some of the annotation categories we can override. Most of our annotation categories are accounted for, but you'll see there are a few that are grayed out. One of those is the dimensions. It does not let us override the dimensions with a different color, line type, or line weight. We can simply halftone those. But dimensions are a pretty common object that designers like to change up or make more visible. So in this case, I'm going to show you how to override those using the type properties. So we're going to go to Edit Type. First thing we're going to do, of course, is duplicate. And we can call these blue. And you'll see a lot of options we can change in here, but we're going to focus on the color. And I'm going to make that kind of a turquoise-ish blue. Hit OK. And now that color has been updated to reflect the blue that we chose. And if you want these dimensions to be that, you can simply choose that new type option we just made, and those dimensions will be blue. Now another common one designers want to override quickly and easily is revision clouds. As you know, revision clouds can only be created in a sheet in Revit. So I'm going to make this view a little bit bigger real quick. And if I were to draw a revision cloud, say up here on this balcony area, the standard color is black, of course, but if we want people to be able to quickly and easily see these revisions as they flip through the sheets, we can override that by going to the revision cloud option, changing the color to red. And we might want to increase the line weight as well so it really stands out. Hit OK, hit OK, and now you can see much thicker line, and it is quickly and easily visible to someone that would be reviewing the construction documents. That's our quick tutorial on visibility graphic overrides. Hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.